Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss our next question, that is any base to decimal conversion. So here we are given with a number with base b, and we have to derive its decimal equivalent. So let's say you are given with a number 1172 in base 8, and you have to convert it into base 10. So let's say what we are going to do here. So here we are going to take this number and multiply by its place value. Then again we are going to take this number, the second number, and we are going to multiply by its place value. Again we are going to take a number and multiply by its place value. Again by its place value. So that is how we are going to do our conversion from any base to decimal. So let's see how we are going to approach in this question. So here we are going to extract the last digit. So for extracting last digit, we are going to divide the number by 10 and extract remainder. So here we get remainder as 2 and our quotient as 117. Again, when we divide this number, we get our remainder as 2 and our quotient as, again divided by 10, we get our quotient as 1 and remainder as, and at last 0 and 1. Here we get our remainder as 7. So here we are going to multiply this number by our current base, that is 8 is 0. Again with base, with now our 8 times of this base. Now again 8 times of our base. Now again 8 times of our base. So we are going to extract our answer in this format. After that, when we get our answer, that is 2, this is 56, this is 64, this is 512. So when we add all these numbers, we get our output as 634. So that is how we are going to approach this question. So now code up this question. So what we are going to do here is, we are taking one answer variable where our answer is going to be stored, and we are going to return this answer. So initially what we have to do, we have to run a while loop until number is greater than number not become equal to 0. So let's say I take that example once more. Let's say we are given with the number 1172. So initially what we are doing, we are dividing this number by 10 to extract last digit. So we are going to extract the last digit. So here we are going to extract last digit, and last digit will be going to be number with modulus 10. After that, we have reduced our number. So initially one number was 1172 and it is reduced to 117. So it is reduced to 117 as when we divide our number by 10. Now, after dividing our number by 10, we have to store it in our answer. Last digit into power to power. So as we have seen, this was when we divide this number, we get our quotient as 1, remainder as 7. Quotient as 1, remainder as 1. Quotient as 0, remainder as 1. So this, in this place, this number can multiply by 1, or we can say 10 raised to the power 0. Here it can multiply by 10 raised to the power, sorry. Here it can multiply by 8 raised to the power 0 or 1. Here it can multiply by 8 raised to the power 1. Here it can multiply by 8 raised to the power 2. Here it get 8 raised to multiply by 8 raised to the power 3. So initially the value of power is going to be 1, because here we are multiplying our 2 with 1. So initial value is going, power is going to be 1, and after each step the power is growing with the rate of 8 times. Initially it was 1 into 8, it is going to be 8 raised to power 1. After that, when we multiply 8 to 8, we get our 8 next power 8 raised to power 2. So what we have to do after each iteration, we have to multiply power with our current base. Power with current base. So that is how our code is going to be look like. So now let's run this code. So here, let me erase it first. So we get one error here. So you so we get our required answer. So hope you got the logic for this code. For more such amazing content, like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.